Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, so if you want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so I just went and washed my hair. I'm going to show you all the products that I use in it. I use the Pureology Color Care. I spray this in while it's wet before I blow dry it. And then also this Detangler spray by Big and Sexy Hair. Alright, so my hair is clean and dried. The tool I'm going to be using is Hot Tools. All of their products and everything is amazing. So I'm going to part it half and half. I'm going to grab a pretty thick piece and I'm going to curl from my face.
Tell me there's a river I can swim that will bring you back to me. 'Cause I don't know how to love someone else. I don't know how to forget your face. Your love, gotta miss you every single day and night. So far away.
Okay, so now I'm going to take half of this down. And I have a scar. As a little kid, I was jumping on the bunk bed and hit a nail.
Fights and we cried but never said we're sorry. Stop saying you love me. You're calling me now, but I can't pick up. Your shadow's too close and I'm still in love. The summer's over now, but somehow it still breaks my heart. We could have had to stop.
And that is it. Thank y'all for watching.